If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hello, today we'll memorize the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Yes, 30, 45 and 60 degrees. Now for that we need a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So you have 30 there, 60 there and the 90, right? Now let's consider hypotenuse as 2. So opposite to 30 would be 1 and opposite to 60 would be root 3. Next is 45, 45, 90. Yes, so take the two sides as 1, 1 and hypotenuse as root 2. Now you remember old Harry and his old aunt? Yes, so that's sine, cos, tan. The reverse would be cot, sec and cosec. Suppose I want to find sine 30. So opposite of 30 is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Then cos 60, adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Next, say we have cot 30. Yes, what is cot? Adjacent upon opposite. So it would be root 3 by 1, that is root 3. Next is sec 60, hypotenuse upon adjacent. So it is 2. Next comes tan 45, opposite upon adjacent, so 1 by 1, that is 1. And lastly, sine 45, opposite upon hypotenuse, so 1 by root 2. Simple. Now for 0 to 360, we need a unit circle. Now let's define 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Let's define the coordinates 1, 0. Here it would be 0, 1. Here negative x-axis, so minus 1, 0. And here 0, minus 1. Now for sine theta, simply look at the y coordinate. For cos x and for tan theta, it would be y by x. Let's take a simple example. Say sine of 90. Now go to 90, see the y value. It's 1. Next, cos of 180. Go to 180, see the x value, so it's minus 1. Next, let's define cosec theta as 1 by y. Sec theta would be 1 by x. Cot theta would be x upon y. Now let's take a few examples. Suppose I need cot of, say, 0 degrees. So it is 1 by 0. That is not defined. Let's take, say, sec of 270 degrees. So reciprocal of 0, that will be 1 by 0. Again, it is not defined. Okay, let's take, say, sec of 180. So 180, 1 by x. So 1 upon minus 1, which is minus 1. Easy, aren't they? Like it, share it and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.